Coming up with new ideas for our videos is a constant struggle for creators. The pressure of constantly creating fresh content can be overwhelming. However, the solution to this problem isn't as complicated as we might think. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the most effective techniques that I personally use to come up with new video ideas. The first step in coming up with video ideas is to identify who your target audience is. Understanding who your videos are for is crucial in creating content that will resonate with them. Take a moment to think about what your audience is interested in and what problems you can solve for them. Once you have identified your target audience, the next step is to start brainstorming ideas. Start by creating a mind map, writing down all of the possible ideas that come to mind. Don't worry about judging at this point. Just let the ideas flow. The more ideas you come up with, the better. Another great way to come up with new video ideas is to check your channel analytics. Look at your most successful videos and see what performs well. This will give you a good idea of what your audience wants to see. Social media is a goldmine for video ideas. Scrolling through your timeline can give you a great idea of what your audience is talking about and what topics are trending. Join Facebook groups or Reddit communities, gather feedback, and engage with your audience to learn more about their interests. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to come up with new video ideas. Reach out to creators in your niche and brainstorm ideas together. You might be surprised at how much you can learn from each other. Last but not least, create an idea vault. This could be a notebook, a Google Doc, or a Trello board. Whenever you come up with an idea, jot it down. You never know when inspiration will strike, and having an idea vault will ensure that you never run out of ideas again. In my next video, I will show you how to edit the perfect video, so make sure to subscribe. I'll see you later.